Is now the time to start a business? The answer may surprise you. So it's estimated that 50 million people have lost their job in recent months due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Did you lose yours? Do you feel like you have lost control over your job and your career? So it's estimated that over 100,000 small businesses have closed permanently due to the current conditions. Do you know of one of those? So it's estimated that the COVID-19 pandemic will cost the U.S. economy as much as $10 trillion during 2020 alone. So how much does it cost you? How long would your savings and investments last if you had to depend upon them? Do you dream of more security and quality life? So the big question is, how can you create income, wealth, equity, and security from your own asset? The answer is, start your own business. That's an odd response considering there's so many people have lost jobs and businesses have gone under. So why? A business is an asset that you own and control. A business has financial potential that exceeds any job or investment available. A business can be the best way to create more security for your future. A new normal is developing right in front of our eyes if we watch. A new normal is not a new term. It's been used to reflect significant changes in society, business, and economic conditions for years. It's been used following the financial crisis of 07-08, the aftermath of 08-12 global recession, and the current COVID-19 pandemic. So what's ahead? We can learn from the recent business closures and have access to the greatest opportunity in decades to start a business. Business success is often about timing. History reflects that starting something from a downturn can put you ahead when conditions improve. So how? There are thousands of new opportunities available because of changing needs and the way people will consume. Success will come by providing the right products and services through a well-designed business. The world is your marketplace, thanks to the internet and technology. So do you have a special skill or experiences that people can benefit from? Is it easy? No. Is there help? Yes. What next then? See if starting a business is right for you. Stay tuned. Thank you.